Welcome back. Shifting focus now to commodities. Manisha is here and she will be talking about crude oil prices. Manisha.
Thank you for that, Hormuz. I'm doing that because after 2 days of decline, there is some support coming back in case of crude oil prices. We seem to be holding around that 69.70 mark. What the street also is looking at is improved demand signals, especially coming in from US and China. It is summer travel season in most of the Western world. It's holidays there. And the rise in gasoline consumption is what really seems to be supporting the markets. Well, that's about US. But when you look at the Chinese market, whether it has been about manufacturing numbers or the second quarter growth, which has been better than expectations, also leads the markets to believe that China, which is the largest consumer for crude oil, could be looking at improved demand going forward. And then there was an OPEC report projecting strong global economy in the second half as well, and in anticipating that the demand will be stronger, especially from countries like China, India and Brazil. Markets also are looking at OPEC's June output, which is 41.56 million barrels per day, which is higher than what we saw in the month of May, but still lower than what the OPEC has introduced into the markets as additional output production. So those numbers lagging also has been supportive. It also is about API, which is suggesting that 10.1 million barrels of increase in inventories is what we could be looking at. This clearly means that there are refinery runs which have declined, and that indirectly is supporting prices at this point in time.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Manisha, for joining us as always and telling us what's happening in the world of commodities. With that, we'll slip into another break. Alok Mishra from Microfinance Institution Network will join us next. We'll talk about the microfinance sector and what's happening with rate moves there.